Last week I made a video that XRP is going to fall, and look at this, such a big downtrend over here, and now we are at this point. But the question is, should you buy now? What is the trade you should put in now? Let's look at the charts. So still the same thing, getting rejected from 200 period smooth moving average here, and then this fall happening over here. Let's look at the RSI at 39.8 right now. There is still bit of a margin. It should go around 35. Below 35 is what it's doing at the moment. Basically we still have margin for this to go down, and I will show you support and resistance levels. This level right here is very important. Found support a lot of time here, and this is what I think will happen. It will come down to this level. 0.693 is the level which it will come down to, and this is I think the range where you should think about start buying. But other than this, as you can see, once again I will show you this level is where it got rejected from. You see over here rejection in the past also. Over here also got rejected, and one last level we can put somewhere around here, because you can see rejection here, rejection. So at this moment in time we all are waiting for this level. I will put my trade over here. This is the trade I can put in when it reaches here. You can see we can take profit at the 200 period smooth moving average, and then take and stop loss over here. This will give me roughly 16% profit. So big scope in XRP right now. If you put in the correct trades, there is money to be made. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think, what is going to happen. Is there any other coin you want me to analyze? Let me know. Take care. Thank you.